In this video, we're going to be showing you how to add a video anywhere to any website page. As you can see, we are working off a homepage template, but this will work for any page that you're currently working on. So what you want to do is go ahead and scroll to wherever you would like to add a video on your page, whichever section and whichever block, and you will see these purple block icons where we can add a new block. Now, what we want to do is simply hover over that purple plus sign and click on it. That is going to allow us to add a new element to this section. All right. Now we want to click on the Add More Elements drop-down menu, and let's just select video. All right. After selecting video, we want to click Add Element. Now, as you can see, we did add a video, but it is not appearing because we will need to customize it. So by hovering over this video that we've added, we can go ahead and click on the styling section. By hovering over the stylize icon and clicking it, you will see a menu bar pop up on the right-hand side of the screen, and you will see that we have selected a video, and we want to go ahead and click directly on that video. You will have the option to click on any previous videos that you have added, but I'm going to show you how to add a new video. We're going to go ahead and click on this Add Video button. What you will see on the right-hand side of your screen now is two options. One for adding a YouTube URL encode, and the other for adding a Vimeo URL encode. Now, to not get too confused, what you can do is simply paste your entire YouTube URL into this first box if you are using a link from YouTube. And as you can see, there's an example above this link that shows you everything after the last dash is actually your URL number. So what we'd want to do after pasting that link is simply delete everything besides that last number. This is going to be the same for YouTube and for Vimeo. And what we want to do next is we can change the name. So we can simply say tutorial, or you can type in the title of your video there for SEO purposes. And then let's just click preview. All right, after clicking preview, we can see that I had uploaded this sample tutorial on how to upload files to Dropbox, and that thumbnail has appeared. My YouTube video is added and embedded into the page. Now we can stylize this and we can get into more specifics on how to customize the look, but we're going to be doing that in a separate video. The last thing that I do want to show you guys is how to move this around. Let's say you wanted it above, this block within the section. What you can do is simply hover over the outside border of this video that you just added. You will see a block menu in purple that pops up, and you can use these element navigation arrows to move this video up or down. So if we wanted to move it up, simply click that up arrow, and now you can see it jumped up above this icon. All right. If we wanted to add the video to this section over here, well, we would need to click on that purple icon to add a new element within this section or any other section on the page. All right. That is how you add a new video. If you did need to delete the video, again, you can hover over the outside border of that element and click the delete icon. That will delete the video if you added it on accident. And after adding this video, it's going to be in your media library, so you won't need to add that URL code again. You could simply scroll down on your page, click this purple icon, and then simply select that video to be added to this section as well. Hopefully that was helpful, and you can add videos to any section on your website.